Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, June 11th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's linked over here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, otherwise, the US dollar again definitely did play out as I was talking about this morning. I said that it looks like it potentially should go down and make a wave C before it potentially ends up continuing up. It didn't end up being a spike reversal like I was kind of hoping for, but it definitely did play out as planned. I think this is an A. I think this is very clearly a wave B. I think we're very likely in a wave C. Wave C's can make higher lows than wave A, so watch this 100% Fibonacci extension for a turn. If not, then my next target would be the 161, 178 for a possible expanding A, B, and C correction before we end up continuing the uptrend. So anyways, definitely keep an eye out for those fib levels. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.